Hi, welcome to Veterinary Clinical Anatomy channel. In this video, we are going to study the anatomy of femur bone in the dog. This bone has a proximal extremity, a body, and a distal extremity. As we look at the femur bone from cranial view, proximally we see the head, neck, and greater trochanter. At the distal extremity of the femur bone, we see trochlea, lateral trochlear ridge, medial trochlear ridge, lateral condyle, and medial condyle. When we look from lateral aspect to the bone at the proximal extremity, we can easily see the greater trochanter and third trochanter. Now, at the distal extremity, we find lateral trochlear ridge, lateral condyle, lateral epicondyle, lateral supracondylar tuberosity, extensor fossa, and the popliteal fossa. Then we move to the caudal surface, and at the proximal extremity, the head, neck, greater trochanter, lesser trochanter, intertrochanteric crest, third trochanter, and trochanteric fossa are visible. On the caudal surface of the body of femur bone, here is the facies aspera with its lateral lip and medial lip. Also, we can see the nutrient foramen between the proximal third and middle third. At the distal extremity, we see popliteal surface, medial condyle, lateral condyle, lateral supracondylar tuberosity, lateral facet for lateral fabella, medial facet for medial fabella, and intercondylar fossa. At the end, we turn to the medial surface of femur bone. At the proximal extremity, the head, fovea capitis, neck, and lesser trochanter are clearly visible. At the medial side of distal extremity, we can find medial trochlear ridge, medial condyle, and the medial epicondyle. Thank you for watching this video on the anatomy of the femur in dog. We appreciate your time and support. If you found this content helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more veterinary anatomy insights. Your engagement helps spread knowledge to fellow students and professionals. See you in the next video.